Hello, hi. I'm going to be doing a reading of a poem that was written by a person by the name of Glacier 71. I actually really like this poem of his, or in Bisaya, it's actually called Balak, right? It's the word Balak means poem in the Visayan language, which is a central Philippine dialect. It's actually the most populous dialect in the entire Philippines. Um, yes, I'm gonna read this. I actually admire it, and I think everybody else should also. So, the poem is written by Glacier71. This is for you, bro. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Note that my Bisayan is really not that good, so please forgive me if it doesn't sound genuine. Sa dihang gitanda ko ikaw, sa balayan sa imong kahinanok, nabati na ahong dinagok sa imong paghagok. Sa dalikyat mihayag imong magamata ug dayon mitikyop. Pagbalik ang magatabon nga giagni sa katulugon, nasangit sa hayhayan sa nagsilamiwang kaugalingon. Unya kanako ikaw miingon ga. Lami ang wine? Nilanog sa langit imong katawa nga giduyogan sa akong masusihong pangutana. Naunsa ka? um, this is a very good poem. Once again, thank you very much, Glacier71, for sharing this with me and everybody else. And this is my tribute to you, sir. My salutes.